This will be a video tutorial on how to merge shapes in Adobe Illustrator. I will be using Adobe Illustrator 2023 on a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to Illustrator here. Okay, I have Illustrator opened up now, and I have a few shapes on my artboard here. I have a square, a circle, a triangle, and another rectangle here. Say that I wanted to merge the square and this ellipse here. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to overlap them. I'm going to position them how I want them. I'm going to merge both of them together. Now you want to select one object. I have the circle selected. Now I'm going to hold down the Shift key and I'm going to select this square here to where I have both of them selected. Then I'm going to go to the Shape Builder tool. The Shape Builder tool is right over here in your tool panel. The keyboard shortcut for the Shape Builder tool is Shift+M. I'm going to click on it. Now I'm going to draw a line straight through both of these shapes. Now I'm going to go back to my selection tool. Now I have one shape here. Say that I wanted to make an arrow out of this rectangle and this triangle here. I'm going to move my shapes the way I want them. Then you want to select both of them. I have the triangle selected already. I'm going to hold down the Shift key and I'm going to select the rectangle. Then I'm going to go over to the Shape Builder tool. Keyboard shortcut is Shift+M. I'm going to click on it. Then I'm going to draw a line straight through both shapes. Now I'm going to go back to the selection tool just so I can move my shape around. Now it is one shape. That is how you merge shapes in Adobe Illustrator. Thanks for watching.